Hey there, my friend. If you're on this page, I bet you've done some amazing things. You're successful, you're focused, you're driven. You make an impact for your business, your clients, maybe a team, your family. I also know that there's probably a version of you that when it matters most, your internal confidence collapses. Even when your friends, your colleagues often say to you, I can't believe how confident you are. You seem so calm. But inside, maybe you're wondering when it's all going to work out, or you wake up in the middle of the night hoping you can keep everything growing, or wondering when the other shoe's going to drop. This kind of reactionary confidence, fake it till you make it, or just keep pushing forward, is actually a false confidence.